Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network error. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type after that type command prompts. Wait, you need to run it as administrator. Right click, run as administrator. Now type here ipconfig/flash DNS, click enter and then type net winsock reset, and after that, as you see here, you need to restart your PC. So just restart your PC, and after starting your PC, type here network, view network connections, then just right click on your network. You will find here Wi-Fi or internet. Right click on it and then click disable, and after that all you have to do just right click on it again and click enable. After a few seconds, just wait few seconds and then enable it again, like 1 minute or something like that, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just clear your Google Chrome or your browser history. Click these 3 points history and then clear browsing data and select those 3 options, make it all time and clear data, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.